Taking the time to create board covers for all of your boards on Pinterest really makes your Pinterest account look super professional and very well branded. Let me show you what I mean right here. Okay, this is number 5 findings, the account that we've been working with for the last few videos. As you can see right here, DIY Furniture Makeovers has a board cover and these two do not. It's just going to pull like either the first pin or the most recent pin and show it. And over time, that's going to look very cluttered and confusing. And it's just so much more professional whenever someone visits your account that they see all these beautiful cohesive branded board covers. So whenever you're on your account, it will likely default to this section here, created. As you create more pins, those will show up here. You're going to want to click on saved, and that is where you will see your board. So I'm going to show you how you can upload a pin as your board cover. Now I have created board covers. I'll show you. It is here in Canva. And I have this linked down below. It's just a very basic like square, 1000 by 1000 pixels. But if you're like, Sarah, just give me a template. Here you go. Here's your template. Type in your board name, add a little element like a branded element if you have any, and change your font, change your colors, and export or download them. Now back here into painted dresser ideas, what we're going to do is after you have created your image and it's on your desktop, you're going to hit the plus icon here at the bottom and you're going to create a pin. This is the exact same way that you would create a pin for anything, for a blog post or whatever in Pinterest. It's just better if you just schedule it in Tailwind if you're going to have it drip out over time. So let's drag and drop our board cover. DIY Furniture Makeovers. I think we were actually working on a different, board. Painted Dresser Ideas. That's going to be our title. For the description, I understand that I told you in the last tutorial that you don't want to just dump keywords into this spot. Since this pin is not necessarily like, we're not trying to gain traction on this pin, we're just wanting to create a board cover, go ahead and copy paste the keywords that you place onto your board description and just paste them in here. That's fine. The alt texts are for people who cannot actually see or they have some sort of impairment and they use screen readers. So you're going to explain what people can see in the pin. You can get as detailed with this as you want, but since this is just a title for a board cover, we're just going to put in painted dresser ideas. The destination link is going to be the actual board to painted dresser ideas. I'm going to paste that in here. We want it to publish immediately. We're going to hit publish and it will show up on our board right there. Okay. Now next to or under your board name, depending on how long it is, you're going to click on these 3 little dots, edit board, and you're going to select a board cover. It's not letting me click it. Well, shoot. Let's try this again. There we go. Hit done and done. Okay, if you click on your profile in the top right and click on saved, there we go. You now have branded board covers for your boards. It really is worth taking the time to go through and create board covers for all of your boards. Go get your template down below in this video description. Just duplicate the board for each of your pins or for each of your boards and get to creating. I cannot wait to see what you come up with. I would love to see your completed profile. Like, copy paste the URL, send it to me on Instagram at Moats Design because I would love to see what you've come up with.